Hello, we are live. I'm back again and I'm really excited for the session. I hope you are. Welcome. I'm your mentor Vasundhara Sharma at Coding Blogs Junior. Last time I had a Zoom meeting with all of you and it went really great. I am just obsessed with the response I get in the class. I talked to you all and it was overwhelming. And let's start today's session on this note. On more note, according to Indian calendar, we have entered in a new year, and that, do you know, 2079, we are entering that year. How it is possible? Do you know story about that? All right, I want all of you to know about our Indian culture. हमारा जो संवत हम कहते हैं कैलेंडर, इट्स द सेम नेम, वो स्टार्ट हो गया था ब्रिटिश कैलेंडर के अराउंड 57 इयर्स अगो. ऑलरेडी बन चुका था हमारा कैलेंडर, बट देन ब्रिटिश एम्पायर रूल आया, उन्होंने हमारा हटा के अपना फॉलो कर लिया एंड हम अभी तक वही फॉलो करते हैं. बट अगर आप अपने घर में देखो, सो वी हैव लाइक अष्टमी, नवमी एंड ऑब्वियसली अभी नवरात्रे चल रहे हैं, सो हैप्पी नवरात्रे एवरीबॉडी एंड रमजान आल्सो, हैप्पी रमजान. तो ये चीज नवरात्रे चल रहे होते हैं, अष्टमी आती है, नवमी आती है, ये सब कुछ कैलेंडर में लिखा होता है. एंड ये कैसे होता है कैलेंडर में एकदम, ऑल ऑफ दिस हैज अ साइंटिफिक रीजन, है ना. हमारे प्लैनेट्स के लोकेशंस को देखकर दिन बदलते हैं, साल बदलते हैं. ऑल ऑफ दीज आर साइंटिफिक एंड बट वी आर नॉट फॉलोइंग द इंडियन कैलेंडर, ब्रिटिश रूल्स. चलो, hi Shriv, let's meet all of you who are here. Hi Samiksha, hi Avidil, how are you doing? Long time. Kunal, hi Kunal. Edit with Jackie, hey. Samiksha, Avidil, Shriv. Yes, I'm doing well, thank you. Kunal, Happy New Year, Happy Navratri, Happy Ramadan, everything. Okay, yes, I'm fine. Sure, great. Let me just announce the coding contest winners. Okay, first of all, my first winner is Abir. Abir has done a really great job making that project. I really loved it, but Abir has the competition. I can't decide the winner, and the second position is of Satvik. Okay, and third is of Samiksha, which she is here. So congratulations all of you. Let's start making flowers now. Last time हमने किया था एक ब्यूटीफुल सी सीनरी बनाई थी. इस टाइम उसी सीनरी को कैरी फॉरवर्ड करते हैं और फ्लावर्स बनाते हैं. What do you say? Let me just show you how the flowers are going to look. Now these, like, obviously this is my creativity, but I also know that your creativity is going to be 100% much better than mine. Okay, so I'm going to share my screen. I'm going to show you how flowers can be made, and I know somehow, somewhere, you already know how flowers could be made. So here you can see, right? These are, now I want to hear out who had the idea to make these flowers already. And let me just run that very quickly. This is the thing we made last time, and it is very fast. Mute side. Okay. Now you can guess this one. I just made some circles. I made it, and that's it. Okay. Now these look beautiful. We are going to continue it from we left it last time. Okay. हमने इतना बनाया था. We made some. What is this? Sun and the like mountain and the floor, the grass. Okay. Now you can change the grass color from here. I just change it to like 44, I guess. Yeah. and I guess 190. हाँ, I like that much better. तो मैंने ये इतना कर दिया था, ठीक है. चल, now let's move ahead and इसको थोड़ा और अच्छा बनाने का ट्राई करते हैं. Let me just correct it really quickly. तो नीचे ही करना पड़ेगा, है ना? Forward by 40. Okay, making sense. Now I'm just going to tell you how to make flour. First of all, I'm going to take. Can you like predict it? Avirul, thank you. Hi, Shravya. I am really good. Avirul, thank you, Avirul. Let's start making it. I want you to make this with me. I know आपके स्कूल ओपन हो गए इसलिए मैंने लेट का सेशन रख दिया है so that everyone could attend it. Okay. Now see, सबसे पहले let's make a flour, which let's see. I'm just going to tell you few steps. First of all, मेरे को अपने artist को यहाँ लाना है so that it could draw the stem, right? To make my artist go there, I want to use this block, and this is pretty easy to use. I can just use like, let's say 150 there, and if I do 400 down, so my artist is there. Oh, okay. So let me do it 50 only for now. Starting से start करते हैं. Now my artist is facing that side, तो इस सब का ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा हमें. And then I'm going to have this block point towards, and I'm just going to slide it to 270. ठीक है, 270. You can write it down as well, or slide the bar. Now my artist is facing upwards. I can draw my stem, right? To draw a stem, I can choose a color, pretty beautiful color. Now let me tell you one thing. Okay, if I take this pattern, okay, if I take this pattern, so what do you think? The color will apply to this pattern? Like, comment me down, yes or no. This color will apply to this pattern, yes or no? Okay, then I'm going to choose move forward by 100 pixels for the stem. Okay, let me check the answers of yes or no. Samiksha. Yes, Samiksha, using Penwheel. I saw your one. Aviral said no. Great, Aviral. Yes, it won't make the pattern colored, but we have one pattern. Here, I am giving you one tip. Okay. One day gamers, tell me your names. Your answer is correct. Now see, if I choose this force pattern, no? See what happened? It colored in yellow. Okay, so that means the very first pattern is normal line, and we can apply color on that. Now we saw is like, oh my god, breath is very high. I need to like, let's try 10. 10 is okay, or should I do it 5 only? What do you guys say? 7? I think this is perfect. Now let's start making the flower. Okay, the main flower. Aviral? Yes, it will make that. Shafat. Okay. Chalo. Now I want my flower, and I want a pattern for it. मैं अपने flower के लिए, for the leaves, I'm going to select a pattern. You can select any pattern. Let me start with this one. Okay, I have selected it. Now, how to use this pattern in a good manner that it could make a circle and it will predict a flower, obviously. Okay, so let me do one thing. Let me take a loop, repeat loop, because I'm going to have several same codes, and for that repeat loop will be awesome. Let's see if I make it move forward by some pixels. Let me test it with 25 pixels, and let me make it like move backwards only by 25 pixels. Okay, and after that I want it, see what happens, move forward, move backward, so it goes up and down. We can't really say it. and let me just turn it by some degrees. Let me take 30 degree. Okay, let me take 30 degree here. We need to test and try. Every degree make a different sense, and every degree make your project beautiful. If I have a repeat loop, and let me try 10 here. Can you see this thing here? Let me just zoom in. You can see it, right? This is a flower, but 10 makes it half a quarter. Let me make it 15. Now it's a full flower, right? Now it's a full flower. So it looks beautiful now. So one way to make a flower is this. I can make it bigger by making these line bigger. Now see, if I make it 30 now, so what happens? I am getting a different kind of pattern here. So you can see everything makes your drawing beautiful in Artist Lab. Nothing is a glitch here. Nothing is a like error here. Everything is perfect. Okay, now I made it 30 and it is a little bigger and it is giving me a different kind of shape. Okay, so you can make it 20 or 30 or 25, that's on you. Now let's learn different kind of flower. Okay, I have shown you 4 types. Let's see a different kind of star here. Flower here. Okay, 15. Yeah, Bilal, you can do it. That's right. Now, if I make a different, let me do one thing. Let me have a different pattern here. And for that, let me make it jump somewhere else. And let me just make it jump forward by 100 pixels. Okay, let's make a flower here. I'm not teaching you stem this time, just a flower. Okay, let me take a different pattern here and the same thing. If I take a different pattern like this one, okay, and if I take a repeat loop again, okay, this time see what changes I'm going to do and how the flower is going to look. This is one kind of flower with the same coding. If I just like थोड़ा सा अगर मैं इसकी coding छेड़ देती हूँ तो let me do it 50 and let me do it 50. Now see what happens. I really love Artist Lab. And what happens now? Now if I just turn the degrees by, let's say, I have to do one change here. I have to make it 30 times. Okay. And if I make it like that, now see what happens. Okay. Now every degree here makes a different turn. So one thing is that. Okay. So you can make a flower like this only. Let's try another one without a pattern. Okay, now this time without a pattern. I have to make it point somewhere. Let's take point to this degree, yeah, and then jump. Okay, so if I make it jump like that, now let's learn how we can make another kind of flower with a function circle. Let's take a circle here and I simply want to make a circle of, let's say, 20. Okay, but you can see a pattern applied here. Wow, it looks beautiful. It looks beautiful. A pattern applied here. Let's do some changes. We want to have a color. Okay, want to have width as well. Let me take width as 20 or 25, what say? Let me take this one. Okay, now see, I want to make another circle. I want to make another circle, but not on the top. I want it just a side, making like a 8. Okay, So what I'm going to do, I'm going to have a point block here, and I'm going to just turn it where I like this the most. Okay. What do you think about this? This could work, है ना? So similarly, we'll do this step again and again, and we'll make a perfect circle. And at last, what we are going to do, we are going to have a little dot, just like that, just like that. Okay. Now I have taught you this is going to be your homework, and this you can make it very easily. Now I really like the stems, so include the stems, whatever you like. This is your creativity, so make it yourself. Okay. And I'm always curious to see your projects. Yes, Samiksha. Thank you. Okay. So like that, I can make 8, and I can also make another alternate 8 like this only. I just need to make it turn. Okay, so I'll make a circle first, then I'll turn it so that I can see where it is going. What do you think? It looks perfect here. And I just need one more circle. Point direction, one more circle. And just adjust it. Simple as that. Done. Okay. Now I have a little gap here. So I can fill it up. Let's make it move a little. Okay. I can make it move backwards. Let's try 2-3 pixels for now. Okay. Let's try 5 pixels. Yeah, it can make sense. Otherwise, what I can do, I can make this like 28. Now it's filled. Simple, easy. Last thing I want to do is to draw the middle part of the circle, which makes it attractive, and another circle here. That's it. I don't need to have a radius here. It will work like that only. But still, let's have a radius here. And that's it. That's it. Okay, so I'm going to give you this one as your homework, and obviously you can create your creativity. Artist Lab is a very beautiful thing, and you can use it to make beautiful drawings. The things you can draw with the pen, you can make your artist draw. Okay, so this is very powerful platform for drawing and to show your creativity. Okay, chalo. Aviral, thank you, Aviral. Okay, that's it for today. I taught you how to draw flowers as I promised last time. Also, our MIT batch who enrolled for it, I just want to give you news that it is going to start from next week. Either it could be 13 or 17. I can't decide the date, but it is going to start from the next week, definitely 13 or 17. Okay, so whoever are waiting for it and enroll for the batch, I'm going to meet you on 13th or 17th. Okay, that's it for today. Bye bye. Share this video with your friends. Obviously like it. I just feel motivated when you like this video and share it to your friends. Okay, so like it, share it, and subscribe it already. Bye everybody. Let's see what you want me to teach you in the next session. या मेरे को comment में बताओ, तभी मैं next time आपके लिए वो लेके आ पाऊंगी. ठीक है, जैसे आपने last time मेरे को बोला था flowers के लिए. I teach you. Okay. Samya, thank you. Bye bye. Have a nice day. Diva, okay, bye.